What if you could have your own AI assistant powered by Gemini that writes, summarize, answer questions, draft emails, and automate tasks for free? In this video, I'll show you how you can exactly build a step-by-step Gemini agent without knowing any programming or coding language, without using any page tools, and no complicated setup. By the end of this video, you will have a full working AI agent integrated in your workspace, boosting your productivity without spending a rupee. So to do this, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, and you can use Pabbly Connect in Gemini to create multiple automations. You can draft emails, generate summaries, post on your social media, and much more. But in this video, I'll show you how you can post on LinkedIn using your Gemini agent, and like this you can post on several another platforms too, like Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Okay, so let's see how to do this. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can post on LinkedIn 100 of times for free using Pabbly Connect, and that's why I mentioned that this is a 100% free setup, because you can try it for free today. Alright, once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, so this is just for you. Use this to get very heavy discounts on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But try Pabbly Connect first. If you like it, then you can move on further. So this is the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow builder, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, I'm just going to use a feature by Pabbly, which is schedule by Pabbly. So I'm just going to search for schedule by Pabbly and select it. For the event, I'm just going to select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. It is saying how often do you want to run this workflow. So I want to run this workflow every day. So I'm just going to select every day right over here, and then I'm just going to select the time. So what I want is I want to post on my LinkedIn every day at 1 p.m. So I'm just going to select the time at 1 p.m. and click on this button which says save. Once we're going to click on this save, this workflow is scheduled for every day 1 p.m. Now let's move on further and use Gemini to generate the post of our LinkedIn. Alright, so for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gemini, and you're going to see Google AI Studio right over here in brackets Gemini. Select this. For the event, you have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google AI Studio and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. You're going to find the hyperlink just right over here. Once you open your Google AI Studio, what you have to do is from the left hand of the site, you have to go to this get API key section. And yes, you can try this for free today. You can use your account also. Once you're on this get API key section, click on this create API key button, name your API key, select the project and click on this create key. Your key will be created, but make sure to create the project first. And you're going to see the key is created. Just copy your API key and paste it right over here in your workflow, and then click on this save. Once you're going to click on this save, your Gemini account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After this, it is asking for the text, which is the prompt using which we're going to generate the LinkedIn post. Alright, so I'm just going to enter the prompt right over here. So as you can see, I'm just going to use this same prompt, and if you also want this prompt, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and copy and paste my prompt. I've entered the prompt according to my own needs. You have to enter it according to yours. For the model, I'm just going to select it as Gemini 2.5 Flash. You have to select select it according to your account. For the method, select it as generate content and click on the save and send test request. Once you're going to click on the save and send test request, within seconds and in real time your post content will be generated. You just have to wait for a few seconds, and yes, this is generated. Now I'm just going to post it on my LinkedIn. So let's just close this, and what we have to do is we have to click on this add new action step and search for LinkedIn right over here and select LinkedIn. For the event, you have to select it as share a simple text and click on this connect. If you also want to post the image, first of all you can use Gemini to generate the image too. Now if you have already created the connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Now you have to log in your LinkedIn account simply by entering your account credentials. Click on this sign in. Once you click on this sign in, your LinkedIn is connected with Pabbly Connect. You have to select the author, and if it is saying no options found, just refresh this field and the options will appear. Then select the author. For the content, Gemini generated the content, so simply enter it, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So I'm just going to map this right over here, but what we have to do is, in order to map this detail, just put a slash and then search for the detail you wish to map. Alright, so I'm just going to put a slash, open the response of Google AI Studio and map the content which it generated. For the visibility, I'm just going to keep it as public. You can select it as connections too, and then click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this on our LinkedIn. So let's just open our LinkedIn right from here, and once we're going to open our LinkedIn, and I'm just going to go towards my profile and check for the new post posted, and you're going to see a new post has been posted just now right over here, and this is the same post which Gemini generated. Not only this post, but now whenever every day this workflow is going to run at 1 p.m, Gemini is going to generate me the post content and we're going to post it on our LinkedIn. Like I did this for LinkedIn, you can connect many more applications further like Facebook, Instagram and so on, and create a social media AI agent for yourself. We have a dedicated video for this on our YouTube channel. Not only this, but many videos related to Gemini AI agent we have on our YouTube channel. You can refer to those videos and create these amazing automations. And yes, don't forget that if you want any specific video, you can request that in the comment section below. I will definitely make sure to help you. Further, if you have any doubts, you can also drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below, and also the discount coupon is attached in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.